Bingo Cash has multiple gameplay features, but an autoplay option that stops working can be caused by the feature's own conditions, an outdated app, or a temporary loading problem. By the end, you'll know what to check before starting another game, and what to do if autoplay still refuses to work. First, open Bingo Cash and check the exact autoplay control before entering another match. If the button is missing, grayed out, or does nothing when tapped, check whether the current game mode actually supports the feature. Do not assume autoplay is available in every game or situation. Next, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Then return to the same game mode and check the autoplay control again. This refreshes the app session without changing your account information. After that, check for an available Bingo Cash update. On Android, open Google Play, search for Bingo Cash, and select Update if it appears. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Bingo Cash, and install the available update. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the game updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Support bingocash.com. https support bingocash.com HC and US articles 4,461,226,025,745. Why should I update the app? Open source sajcap.com. Your connection can also affect features that need information from the game server. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then reopen Bingo Cash and test autoplay again. If autoplay works after changing networks, the original connection may have prevented the feature from loading correctly. If nothing changes, check whether other Bingo Cash features are working normally. You should also make sure you are signed into the correct account. Bingo Cash says existing users can sign in with their registered phone number and a verification code. Or bingocash.com https support bingocash.com HC and US articles 4,428,319,197,969. How do I log into my account? Open source chatchat.com. Avoid deleting the app immediately. If you reinstall Bingo Cash, make sure your account is registered first. Bingo Cash says registered accounts can be accessed again after reinstalling, while unregistered progress may not be recoverable. Or bingocash.com. Windial support bingocash.com HC and US articles 4,461,300,475,281. What happens if I delete the game? Atman source chat.com. If autoplay remains unavailable after checking the game mode, restarting the app, updating Bingo Cash, testing another connection, and confirming your account, contact Bingo Cash support. Before contacting support, take a screenshot showing the autoplay button and the game screen where it fails. Include what happens when you tap the feature so support can identify the problem. The main fixes are simple. Verify that autoplay is supported in the current game. Restart Bingo Cash, update the app, test another connection, and confirm you're using the correct account. Your next step is to capture the autoplay screen before contacting support if the feature still does not respond. If this fixed the autoplay problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash fixes.